transitions into laminate. The colors is how you see it. It's a little bit dated. This particular home probably was on Airbnb at some point in time. It's no longer active. A lot of people will call me and say, well, I want something that's already on the market, that's been rented. We could do that, but don't be afraid to take on a home that has potential, that's zoned for short-term rental, that you could transform into your own thing. So the first thing that we're gonna see here is these couches are worn. So of course we're gonna definitely have to change out the couches. So sometime when you buy a furnished Airbnb, guys, or a furnished home for short-term rental and it comes furnished, sometimes you have to change out some of the stuff. Like definitely we gotta change out the couches. It's very worn. Some of them have been using it for a long time. The paint on the wall look kind of neutral, so maybe we could work from there. The paintings, however, the wall decor, we know we're gonna have to change that up. Let's go ahead and enter the kitchen area. So the kitchen, because we're in an area that we are competing with new construction, we're competing with Airbnb and short-term rental homes that are new construction, we're gonna definitely wanna update this kitchen. So as we look on the floor, we have, I think this is some kind of laminate something. Anyway, we know we're gonna have to redo the floors. These are not tiles, this is like a laminate, and it's not even luxury vinyl, it's just a regular laminate floors that they had back in the day. Now the window treatment, we know we don't want to have these vertical blinds there because all they're going to do is get, you know, ripped out one by one as the guest goes through the door. We're gonna do something better with the window treatment. We're gonna take off all these things that are up here, all these paintings that was probably good for the time when it was built. I don't think they ever redesigned this home, and we're gonna do our own thing up there. So look out for that on the after video. Now let's go back into the master bedroom. Master bedroom is carpeted. This carpet is dirty. It's been in there probably since they bought the home. I don't know. In the bathroom, this is the master bathroom. We see that they have the same kind of laminate flooring here. The light fixture on this, we might just change out the mirror, but the light fixture isn't too bad. Let's see what we go with as far as the theme is concerned. Over here there's a soaking tub. We may have to we're gonna want to change out the faucets here. Same thing on this side with this sink. We're gonna have to change the cabinets and the floor and all that great stuff. Now, this is the master bedroom here. The sliding window is beautiful. Sliding glass door, sorry, is beautiful, but we don't want these drapes. So we're gonna take these drapes down, take also out the vertical blinds, and instead we're gonna put longer drapes up, and then there's some damages in the roof that we're gonna have to deal with as well. There's carpet in all the bedrooms, so we know we have to do that. We have to change the carpet. We don't want carpet in all the bedroom. We do like the fact that there's a ceiling fan and the TV in this bedroom, so that'll work. We're gonna have to take the floors up in this bathroom as well, update the countertop, the faucet, the cabinet, and the light fixture. These are my worst nightmare. I hate these light fixtures, I really do. They so date the house. You go in the house and you see that kind of light fixture, you know the house was built a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. Okay, this is a shower. In the shower, we're gonna update the faucets. Definitely gonna change the shower head, and we might do something with these styles. I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing, but something might be done with that based upon how our budget runs. Looks like they had this theme as a Harry Potter room. It does have a ceiling fan, it does have a TV, that's a good plus. We're gonna take up the carpet. We may or may not keep this furniture. It's a kiddie room. It was a Harry Potter room. Maybe we'll be able to save something. I don't know, we'll figure that out. Washer and dryer, not a big deal. Same kind of flooring going across. So we have a lot of flooring work to do in this home and a lot of cosmetic decor as well. Drapes, the window treatment, of course, we're going to change. The wall art, I have no idea who was doing this Airbnb before, but I don't see any theme at all. I just see a house put together with a few pieces and call it a day. We don't want to do that. We do not want to do that. Now let's take a look at the garage. In this community, most of the garages are converted into a game room. So let's see what we have in this garage. So the floor's already epoxy, that's a good thing. We do have a beautiful big pool table. I do like that. Just gotta get it cleaned up. We have a foosball table, not bad. We have a few pool equipment, pool toys. I'm not sure if we should keep those or not. We have a very dainty looking TV. We're definitely gonna get rid of that. So as you could tell, the game room is gonna need to be redone. We're gonna have to redo some good stuff on the roof was recently changed, so I'm assuming this leak came from when the roof was leaking, so we're gonna have to fix that. And we are going to have to do something with this game room because it is not popping at all. Like I'm back to the front door. So we have some work cut out for us, as you can see. Now, this home does not have a pool. And if you have been following me for any period of time, you already know I'm big on pools. Okay, so now we're outside of the same home, and as you know, if you've been following me, you know I like a pool and a spa, right? So there's a beautiful pool. Look at how big this pool is. Beautiful big pool. So we just redid it, and I want to show you what we did to make this Airbnb great. So at the beginning of this video, we'll show you the before if you forgot, and then we're going to do the after. So this is what we did. We did some, remember these couches? What I did was I got couch covers to cover over them, and we're going for beach theme. So it looks, you know, it's a beach theme look. So here we had some Paris pictures all over the place. We took those down. We did the beach theme thing. We did a little beach theme curtain right here. Now remember, this was laminate, some vinyl looking thing that was on this floor. So we took up all of that. We redid the floors. We repainted the cabinets because we wanted to make it beachy. So we wanted a beach theme cabinet. We changed the countertops out to quartz. If you remember here, there was a little island. So we flattened that and make it into a flat, you know, thing island. There were white appliances, so we did stainless steel appliances throughout. We did there was a bunch of pictures up here, so we took all of those off and just went with some beach theme you know, statues up here to make it more beachy. Did the same thing with the kitchen cabinets top. If you remember, all the bedrooms were carpeted, so we took all that carpet up. We redid the bedroom floors, we repainted, put some beach decors, did different curtains, got beach theme bedding. We did all the floors. The bathroom had some vinyl looking 90s floors. We took those up. Painted the cabinets in the bathroom. Did some beach theme angles here. Now what we did for the shower, we didn't want to go and redo the shower. So what we did, we took a row of tiles out. So these decorative tiles you're seeing, those are all the same color of the rest. So we took those out just to give it like a pop. And then we redid the shower head, and then we changed out the shower handle. Over here in the bath, it was the same tiles going up, so we took a row of tiles out and did these decorative tiles instead. And that's how we got to that. Definitely did the floors, as I said. It was a lot of flooring to redo, guys. Did different drapes here, because there's different drapes that was here, so we beach themed that, fixed the I don't know if you remember, the ceiling was not good, so we fixed the ceiling. In the patio area outside for the pool, we repainted the patio because I didn't like that creamy dirt looking thing, so we did that. What did we do? Also did backsplash. The backsplash on here was some kind of vinyl flooring something. So we took that down, made the backsplash more beachy, as you could see. We redid the floors in here as well. So all the floors, all the carpet was picked up. We did the floors, we did a nice backdrop back here for the beach theme, because that's what we're going for. In here, we did the counters, changed the pipe fixtures, changed the light fixture as well in here. Just did all luxury vinyl all the way throughout. We had to change the toilet because there was a leak in the toilet. Over here as well, we just took out a row of tile and popped this in to give the bathroom a more decorative feel. We also did the same thing with the fixtures. So we just changed out the fixtures here to give it a better, more, you know, nicer look. And now the Harry Potter room, we kept the same thing. We changed out the flooring, but we went up here and did a nice pop here, a nice mural up here, Harry Potter mural. We did LED lighting as well going up here. So we definitely recreated this whole home. Now the garage, or the game room, which we converted the garage into a game room. So this is what it looks like here. We did have a pool table and a foosball table already, but we put the split AC in so we have air. We got the property with the small TV. We put a bigger TV in. We did LED lights around. We also did 2 arcade games, and we did, this is a storage cabinet for the house, so that's where all the owner's stuff is. We also insulated the garage door to make sure that, you know, we won't be paying a lot of bill with this, you know, with the AC here. And we did put a little bit of features on the wall to make the garage feel more gamey. We had a few board games, that kind of stuff. So we completely redid it, and then we did this little sign here on the door so people could know it's not a garage anymore, it's a game room. So those are some of the features we did. So just wanted to give you a quick look, and when you see a home that doesn't look like what you want, you could definitely turn it around into what you want by just adding all the different things we did. Make sure you know what your budget is, guys. We didn't want to redo the bathroom, so you see what we did there with the tiles and the pipe and fixtures. A few changes sometimes will definitely make it work. Once again, my name is Sandy. I know I didn't say my name in the beginning. So this is Sandy with your local realtor here in the Central Florida area, specializing in real estate, lending, and all things Airbnb and short-term renting as well. So if you're looking to buy a home to convert it into a short-term rental, sometimes it's good to get one at a discount. That way you could redo it. So these are some of the stuff we put on the walls, just to give you an idea of what it looks like when you're coming through the front door. All right? I hope this helps.